Gennaro Dog
If I had a
TV.
waterfall, we wouldn't wonder not at all how much fun each day was gonna be. If I had a mountaintop, I know we would never stop climbing way high up to look and see. If I had a jellyfish, bet you we would never miss a single peanut butter kiss or squeeze.
Gennaro Dog
If I
TV.
had a waterfall, it might not make no sense at all. That won't matter much to you and me. Babies get born even
Gennaro Dog
in
TV.
war. I guess just to show us what living is for. And my heart still believes
Gennaro
that
Dog TV.
love for what we need can be enough. If we'll just stop keeping score. If I had
Gennaro
a big
Dog TV.
giraffe, tried to dance and made us laugh, every smile and giggle would be free. If I had a big moonlight, we'd turn it back on every night, just so the dark could try and get some sleep. And if I had a rocket ship, we'd go places
Gennaro Dog
really quick,
TV.
then have the time to stop and get ice cream. If I had a big giraffe, he'd have to take a real long bath. And that's why waterfalls are really neat. Babies
Gennaro Dog
get
TV.
born even in a war. I guess just to show us what living is for. My heart still believes that
Gennaro Dog TV.
love for what we need can be enough. If we'll just stop keeping score. If I had an everything, we could stand out in the rain, only feel the drops we wanted to. If I had a
Gennaro
wonderful,
Dog TV.
we could play out in the snow, never have to wear our socks and shoes. If I had a pot of luck, we wouldn't have to spend a buck and get all the stuff we needed for our sneeze. And if I had an everything, we wouldn't get
Gennaro
wet
Dog
in the
TV.
rain, and riding waterfalls would be a breeze. If I had a big giraffe, he'd have to take a real long bath. And that's why waterfalls are really neat.